Not receiving verification codes on your iPhone? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Verification codes may not arrive due to network issues, blocked messages, do not disturb mode, or carrier-related problems. Make sure your iPhone has signal. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh the network. Go to Settings, Messages, tap Unknown and Spam. Make sure Filter Unknown Senders is turned off so codes don't get hidden. Go to Settings, Messages, Blocked Contacts. Make sure short codes or numbers aren't blocked. Swipe down from the top. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is turned off so messages can come through. Restart your iPhone to fix temporary message issues. Go to Settings, General, Date, and Time. Turn on Set automatically. Incorrect time settings can block verification codes. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates to fix messaging bugs. If codes still don't arrive, contact your carrier. They may block short-code messages or need to refresh your line. If you recently switched phones or SIM cards, wait a few minutes and request the code again. And that's it. These steps should fix verification code issues on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.